Hi, my name is Ben Rakeblad, and I'm here to tell you that when it comes to 3D printing, bigger is definitely better. And that's why my partners and I are building a family of 3D printers so big, we're calling them 3D monsters. What can they print? Well, they can print my large rocket engine prototypes, and our other lead engineers, Ed Nestrov's custom large format camera bodies. But with our 4 interchangeable extruders and 40 micron layer resolution, you'll be able to print everything from product prototypes to replacement parts to pizza. We're going to build them right here in New Jersey, and we need your help. Our core team has been working together for over 15 years, and our goal is to enable you to 3D print objects that you've never been able to print before, right in your workspace or at home. 2 years ago, we were all set to buy a 3D printer, but there was none in our price range that had all the features that we wanted, and there still aren't. That's where 3D Monster comes in. We needed a large build volume. We needed modularity for easy maintenance and upgradability. We needed 4 independent extruders, each with its own temperature control, quick to mount, adjust, and upgrade. It also had to survive high thermal stress for a wide variety of future materials. Finally, we wanted the printer to take up less space when not in use, be easy to transport, and be quick and easy to set up. Our research showed that people in many industries also wanted to be able to use a printer with these capabilities. Because we couldn't find one, we built 3D Monster. We're building 3 printers, ranging in build volume from 1 to 8 cubic feet. The body is constructed of high-precision aluminum extrusions that carry the main structural loads. All the motion control hardware inside the machine is also made with high-precision, industrial-grade components. While big is important for print size, the opposite is true for extruders. With the space required for 4 extruders, we needed to minimize their impact on the size of the build area. Our little Titan filament extruder is designed to be as compact and as lightweight as possible, while still being powerful and reliable. Plus, even though we have these huge NEMA 23 motors driving the X and the Y axis, we wanted to make sure that even with 4 extruders, 3D Monster would still be fast. Coming in at about half the weight of most extruders today, our little Titans meet all of these requirements. The extruder quick mount has 4 positions, 1 for each extruder. The quick mount makes it dead simple to adjust the height of the extruders so that they don't interfere with the print. Plus, it makes it really easy to swap them in and out for different materials and nozzle sizes. While the standard machine comes with 2 little Titans, a simple plug-in upgrade allows any of the printers we ship to be able to run with up to 4 independent extruders, so that you can handle 4 different materials in the same build. Currently, 3D Monster can handle PLA, HIPS, PVA, and nylon. Once the Kickstarter campaign ends and we deliver the printers to you, our next focus will be on expanding what you can print. Examples of what future extruders will be able to print are food-grade materials such as chocolate, frosting, and cheese, low-temperature pastes such as paraffin wax, silicone rubber, clay, and ceramic pastes, and plastic pellets, which will lower the cost of printing. And we're working on other materials as well. We built a 3D printing platform that has huge value day one, and we will continue to improve it in the future. We're very excited about what 3D Monster printers can do for you, and we hope that you will be too. This is where Kickstarter comes in. If you are like me, you support projects that inspire you, or make life better or easier in some way, and we hope that this is just such a project for you. We need your help so that together we can get these machines into the hands of makers everywhere, in homes, workshops, factories, offices, schools, and makerspaces. In order to do this, we're planning on building them right here in New Jersey, and we need your help to mass produce the parts to get the printers to you in a reasonable amount of time. We would love to have you on board this monster of a 3D printing project. Thank you, Kickstarter.
This is Dave. There's nothing in the world he loves more than 3D printing.
I've often been asked, would I rather have the perfect girlfriend or the perfect 3D printer? Definitely the 3D printer.
Today, he's trying out the Trinus 3D printer.
I'm sorry, where was I?
Trinus, a new 3D printer.
Bring it.
These days, he's not just looking for another 3D printer. He wants something that produces quality prints, can work with a wide variety of materials, can print with multiple file formats, is reliable, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg. He's had some trying experiences, putting together printers with hundreds of parts and having to recalibrate them over and over again.
Finally done. Let's print.
Or coping with prices that put him over the edge. Trinus has a modular structure with 4 identical units, which reduces its production cost. Yeah, that's it. Only 11 parts. Sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
With an easy-to-follow manual, you can assemble Trinus in 30 minutes. And because its mechanics are scaled down from industrial-grade machines, Trinus brings professional-level performance and precision right to your desk. Trinus isn't just a fixed package either. You can exchange its 3D printing head for a laser engraving one. You can also equip your Trinus with a heated bed and safety enclosure, opening your printer up to PC and ABS. Now, Dave, how much do you think this costs?
Well, considering the ease of assembly and attention to details, although I'd still need to see the printed models, I'd say around $1,500.
Nope. Look right.
What's the catch?
There's no catch. $299 on Kickstarter. Trinus uses its intuitive Pango software, which works twice as fast as other slicers. But you're not locked to that. Other software and G-code are compatible too. Remember the time you used the high-speed setting on that other low-cost printer and ended up with a dull, messy print? Even using a higher print speed, Trinus gives you a clean, high-quality print without shaking everything off your desk. Plus, the laser head will come in handy when your best friend beats you at a game you thought you were good at. Trinus lets you print with many different filaments, including flex, wood, and aluminum, all without a jammed extruder or clogged nozzle. To help achieve that, Trinus partnered with Polymaker. With their Polymax PLA or PC Plus, you can be sure that your printed parts will be stronger and better than ever before.
Darling, to you. I love you too. I can explain.
Do you feel impatient if your design takes a long time to print? Are you upset that low-end 3D printers don't have the quality to make the true beauty of your designs real? Are you frustrated if your 3D printer cannot print a sufficiently large size? Do you dream of an affordable, high-resolution, and fast 3D printer on your desktop? We've created the Dragon 1, the ultimate printer.
Traditional 3D printers fall into 2 categories. High-resolution models costing thousands of dollars and low-resolution ones costing under $1,000. The Dragon 1 prints at 37 microns on the X and Y axes and down to 10 microns on the Z axis, resulting in features as fine as a strand of hair. The Dragon 1 prints up to 8.66 inches tall on a 3.86 by 7.09 inch build base at 100 micron XYZ resolution, the largest and tallest of any personal SLA printer. passive peeling technique and reduces the adhesion force at each layer of separation and increases the printing speed dramatically. Excessive noise can affect the quality of your day. Since taller builds can take hours to complete, it's important to reduce the noise pollution as much as possible. Dragon 1 almost makes no sound at all. Dragon 1 is almost the fastest personal SLA printer on the market today. For other SLA printers to print a 6.6-inch Iceful Tower with 100 micron Z resolution, it takes 6 to 8 hours. With Dragon 1, it takes 4 and under. The inner printer frame is made of an integrated piece of high-quality steel, while the outer shell is made from aluminum alloy. This assures the stability and precision of the printer.
The Draken 1 is so flexible, you can easily take out the commercial-grade high-definition projector and use it to project HD movies, and you have your own home entertainment system.
For most SLA printers on market, resin vat is a consumable that needs to be replaced every few months, since the silicone coating on the vat might get cloudy after extensive usage. In Draken 1 vat, we bonded a thin Teflon layer on the top of the silicone coating, which greatly extended the lifetime of the vat. You don't need to worry about frequent replacement of the vat anymore.
Draken 1 is terrific for jewelry design, artwork, research prototypes, and hobby crafts. Draken 1 is perfect for creators, schools, and companies because it's easily adaptable to fit various user preferences and project needs.
Draken 1 supports all third-party resins. For example, Maker Juice, Made Solid, FTD, and even the Formlabs resin. What's more, we have our own resin, whose price is the lowest on the market.
Currently, we provide both hard and flexible resin of multiple colors, and will assure our customers are supplied with high-quality resin at the lowest cost. We also provide castable resin for jewelry design.
Draken 1 is affordable, reliable, and high-resolution printer. It's perfect for use for small businesses and personal use. You deserve one.